Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how to copy and paste characters and animations into your Blender account. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, guys, now go to your browser. I'm using Chrome and type in mixamo.com and press enter. So, it should be something like this. And log in if you have an account and sign up if you don't have an account. Once you log in or sign up, you have to see the screen. There are tons of animations and characters for you. And you can preview your character at the right side. And there are tons of animations like dying, skydiving, running, sprinting, jumping. So I'm going to choose this one because it's kind of cool. So I'm going to be selecting this character for the example. So here I want you to select FBX format and click download. So here in Blender, go to file and you have to see the button import and then go to FBX and go click the character. So here's our character and the animation. Go to animation and click the play button. So here's our character jumping. So cool, and it's very easy.